That's crazy.
Hey, it's Ronnie with Happy Trailers. I'm here at the PJ manufacturing plant, and behind me is the new PJ LY hydraulic dovetail. We're here to test it out and show you guys how it really raises the bar for hydraulic dovetails. So one of the most useful parts about this trailer is that the tail can now carry 10,000 pounds going down the road. In addition, these traction bars are standard on all the hydraulic dovetail models, and this bumper is rear crash safety tested by the FMCSA. I want to point out a few extra options that we spec'd on this model. This one was ordered with a solar panel. It's got a winch plate, hydraulic jacks, and we spec'd this one with 12,000 pound axles and the electric over hydraulic disc brake upgrade. There's a few more details that I want to tell you guys about that this trailer has, and one of those is the 12-inch 22-pound I-beam, which is an upgrade over what most goosenecks of this class have, which is a 12-inch 19-pound I-beam. In addition, we've got a new toolbox latch on this model that I really like, and inside the toolbox is an automotive-style spare tire tool, which lowers the spare that's up underneath the deck, and you can access it from the passenger side. One of the best parts of this redesign is the extended 12-foot length for that dovetail. It's got a 12,000 pound lifting capacity, and that 12-foot length gives you a 12-degree load angle. So we're looking at a 12-foot dovetail, 12-degree load angle, and you can lift 12,000 pounds with it. We're gonna test it out. We'll show you guys. We got a 23,000 pound telehandler that we're gonna lift, and we'll show you guys how it works. These new PJ LY models are showing up at our dealerships now. Give us a call to speak to a friendly salesperson at 877-PJ-DEALS or visit us online at happytrailers.com.